If Earth were to collide with Uranus, this would be the end for both planets. A flash brighter than a billion nuclear bombs, an energy equal to millions of them, detonates in a fraction of a second. Temperatures skyrocket to tens of thousands of degrees. Rocks vaporize, metal liquefies, and a plasma shockwave races outward at supersonic speed. Massive shock fronts slam through Earth's crust, tearing continents apart. On Uranus, the frozen hydrogen and helium core shatters, unleashing torrents of superheated gas. Magnetic fields snap like rubber bands and reform, creating intense radiation storms. Molten rock and boiling gas swell outward, but they don't escape. Gravity pulls it all back. Shards of Earth rain down into the remains of Uranus. As the chaos subsides, what remains is neither Earth nor Uranus as we know them. Instead, a new hybrid world spins in the void. Its surface a molten ocean of silicate and exotic ices, still radiating heat and light long after the initial fury fades.